are here at VCA Hospital, and I got a couple of friends with me. First one, a little furry one. This is Luella, and then I've got Chris Rampersad, and he is going to be here to tell us about skin allergies in our pets, things to avoid, and all of that good stuff, right?
Okay, so skin allergies, the super important thing to know is that there's a lot of it happening in Hawaii. A lot of it happens actually through the environment. So we can change diets and stuff, but generally it's not something we can escape. So it's something we have to focus on managing rather than curing. Generally, it's the ears, the toes, and the rest of the body that we want to look at. And what we're looking for is pinkness, moistness, loss of hair. Generally, if you peek in the ears, Luella has pretty clean ones, but what you might see is missing hair, little bits of scratches if they've been itching at it, and also just like some brown to yellow gunk deep in the ear canal. That's concerning for an ear infection. Otherwise, between the toes, you can sometimes see, again, she's a healthy dog, but sometimes between the toes, you might see little pink bumps. That can be an example of hair follicles that are a bit impacted due to the allergies. So what we have to do is focus on just recognizing when they're uncomfortable and then treating for that.
Gotcha. As a human being, I have some allergies.
Yeah.
I've had skin testing and blood work done. Is that something that pets can do?
Yes, absolutely. There is some skin testing you can do. Generally, we do what's called cytology. So we take samples of the material either at the ears, at the toes, or just anywhere on the body there might be some sort of lesion. We look at it under the microscope. There are some blood tests that exist, but generally I would say that talking to your vet to see if it's appropriate for your pet is the best move. So if you see pinkness in the ears, at the paws, little bumps on the paws, bits of hair missing, honestly, I would just talk to your vet, because sometimes you can have allergies, you can also have parasites, you can have some forms of skin cancer that even present this way. It's really tough to just tell based on looking at your pet. Even a vet will sometimes need to do additional testing. So there's some things that we can prevent. The things that we can, though, I think we should, and that includes just routine monthly oral flea and tick preventatives. It's extremely common that pets will have an immune response that's hyperactive to fleas especially, and that's just a super easy thing we can rule out by making sure they're on that monthly. That way, if we're on that and then we still have skin lesions, we've already ruled out mites, ticks, all sorts of things like that. The key takeaways are: one, skin disease is a huge problem in dogs here in Hawaii. Two, it's not necessarily curable, but it is manageable. Three, the things to watch out for would be pinkness and loss of hair at the ears, between the toes, and in the hips.
Well, thank you so much, Dr. Rampersad. You gave us a lot of great information about our pets and how to take care of their skin and make sure that they don't have any allergies. But I mean, Luella, she's so cute. Oh my God. And if you want to see more of Luella and you want to hear more about VCA Pets, our segment is going to be up on HiNowDaily.com.
Brought to you by VCA Hawaii.